Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's your girl Sandra, aka Slim Shady. If you are a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're all subscriber guys, you already know the drill. I love you guys so much, and if you're just joining the family, joining the gang, okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the family. And if you like to share the video, be my guest, share the video. So guys, I know you can see behind me, you can see a little bit of a sneak peek, okay? So today I've got a Fendi review. I've got this item from Fendi, and this is what the bag looks like. So guys, I went to Harrods and I got myself 2 items from Fendi. I actually got these items for myself before my birthday. My birthday is in November. I should have recorded this video a long time ago, but I've been dragging my legs. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up for myself for my birthday. So I got lots of items. However, I feel like these items, they need a dedicated video, because if you're a subscriber of my channel, you know that I done the LV bracelets versus the Fendi one, and I gave my review on that item, and I talked my talk, okay? And I did say I was not going to buy another Fendi bracelet. However, I could not resist when I went into the store. Before I go any further and before I just start talking too much, I feel like it makes sense for me to show you the item. So I'm going to show you the items I pick up from Fendi. So the first item I would like to show you guys, and I think this is like quite, for me, this was a piece that when I saw it, I had to get my hands on it. It just had to happen, okay? It's something that I felt like it was very classy, very chic, very, I don't know, it's like it makes a statement, but it's kind of like a silent statement. So I'm actually wearing the piece at the moment. It's the Fendi earrings I'm wearing right now in this video. Now these earrings come in this box. All you just need to do is just push out the box, and then your item will be in here. So this item is called F is Fendi earrings. This item cost me £260. And for a quick description of this item, it says hoop earrings in the F is Fendi logo shape, made of metal. This item was made in Italy, and it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in the gold, as you can see, the one I'm wearing right now. It comes in a rose gold, and then it comes in a silver as well. But they call it silver grey on the website, so just for like a little bit of an insight. So when you see grey, it actually means silver. With this item, I feel like it's made with bronze metal. Guys, we all know that all of this luxury houses like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Prada, and all of that jazz, even Chanel, they all do like costume jewelry, which means like it doesn't last for too long. It's not like actual gold. So with this kind of item, please avoid things like perfume, hairspray, all of that around the earrings, because it will tarnish. It's not going to last as long as you want it to last for. And if you're paying £260 for earrings, you need to be able to take care of it properly. Like, don't just buy the earrings and then just smash them up. I mean, to every man its own, but I'll just say, like, take proper care of your earrings and stuff. The reason why I went for this earring and this small size as well is because I felt like it looks very classy. Now, I wanted something that I could wear on a night out that's not like too much in your face, but it makes a statement. So I feel like with my earrings, when I go, literally I've worn it twice. And I'm going to insert a clip of me when I wore it. Yeah, I wore it on 2 different occasions. And I'm telling you right now, guys, I just looked so elegant. It wasn't loud. It was like, like some people like designer hauls, which I'm referring to myself. And a lot of people are like logo hauls, which is me as well. However, I feel like this item is not too screamy. Like, if you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Get what I'm trying to say. So some people don't really know about, like the tiny Fendi ones. A lot of people know about the massive ones that look like the LV ones. But I just like this one, very simple, very subtle. I'm even wearing it right now, and it doesn't really feel like, I'm doing too much. I feel like it belongs where it is. Nowadays, simplicity is just what's getting me going. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Very simple, very nice. So if you like something that screams luxury but classy, something that screams date night, but you're not doing too much. So let's say, for instance, your dress is a lot and your shoes and your bags are like statement pieces. You don't want your earrings to be loud as well. So I'll pair this with that kind of outfit because I feel like then it makes sense. There's not so much going on. And when I got these earrings, I felt like it couldn't be paired alone. Yeah, great, you got the earrings and then boom, your wrist is naked. Like, even if when you wear a watch, it's not given. So I was also skimming through the little thing they had in display and I saw this item as well. Now, I'm gonna sound like a hypocrite because in one of my videos, which I done the 1 year review, I think, of my Fendi bracelet, I did say that I was not gonna buy any more Fendi jewelries because I had a bad experience with that item whereby the items had to tarnish so quickly and I was so confused because the LV one that I had at the time, you know, was a bit younger than the Fendi one, so I didn't understand why the Fendi one was tarnishing so bad and the other one was still a bit, you know, it was still surviving. So it did make sense to me, and I did say that I was never going to purchase another bracelet or another item that's to do with metal from Fendi. However, when I saw these earrings, they had to go with something because I don't like to go out naked when it comes to my wrist. I like my wrist to be a bit busy. I like the little bit of a stack life, and I feel like this item is very, very affordable compared to my other Fendi bracelet. And I just think that if you want to have affordable luxury that, you know, kind of like goes together and makes a statement, you should get this item. This is what I got. It comes in the classic bracelet box. You know, I'm going to set a clip so you can see what this looks like. The bracelet comes in this box. Standard, has a nice material cloth that protects your item. If you're gonna get any Fendi bracelets, get this one, okay? Now this one is a statement piece and it's easy to wear. I love it because you just do this and your wrist just literally goes in. This bracelet for me goes bang on with the earrings, and every time I've worn this, remember I said I've worn it twice, I've always worn them together because I feel like they really just go together. It's a simple F logo in the middle, and then you have the FF monogram kind of like stamped in all around the bracelet, and at the back you have a little bit of a springy stuff which, like, when you open it, you know, helps the item open and close properly. Now I'm gonna wear this. And guys, it's so easy to wear, and do you see how this just changed the whole game? Like, from before when I was speaking to you guys, you saw me like my wrist bare naked, and look, so imagine this. Now, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So this bracelet is called the FF Fendi bracelet, and I got my one in gold. For the description of this item on the website, it says, rigid bracelet with details shaped like the F is Fendi logo. It's got a spring closure on the back, made of metal with a gold finish, and this item was made in Italy. This item also comes in 3 different colors, which is gold, rose gold and silver, and it comes in 3 sizes, which is small, medium and large. The price of the item costs £330, which I think, for me, it's a bargain because my last one I think cost about £490, and that one was just, yeah, all the crystals fell out. It was a mess. I'm going to link that video down below. So I got this bracelet in a size medium, and it's a little bit loose, I'm not going to lie, on my wrist. However, like I said, I'm a stack queen, okay? So when I'm wearing this bracelet, I wouldn't wear it alone by itself. There's a little bit of room there as well, which literally is just this. but my bracelet is not going to fall off. It's still kind of snug, but not extra snug. The reason being is because when I wear this bracelet, I'm going to wear another one on the top, which is like going to be a small one. I'm going to wear a small one. I'm going to wear another medium one. So that gives me that little balance. But if it's tight, then I will have to wear it like this. And then, no. So I like it to be a little bit loose, because I want this one to sit in the middle. Because it really makes a statement. It's not plain. It's got a lot going on, but it's still, you know, it gives me classy. It gives me calm. It gives me old money. Now I'm really gonna go to the pros and cons of this item. So for the earrings, I love them. Like I said, I love the size and everything about it. However, this earring comes like the old school kind of earrings, whereby it's a little tiny thin, a little tiny line that when you put it on, you have to make sure that it, you know, clicks into that little hole. The reason why I feel like this is a con is because if you don't clip it properly, you're really gonna lose your item. That thing I feel like can be flimsy, so please don't force it in. Don't, if you have nails and you feel like you can't get it in, please ask someone to help you, because I feel like it can easily be broken. So make sure that when you put it in, make sure you've heard that sound before you actually like leave it be. Cause imagine it doesn't click down properly, and in your mind, oh, my earrings are there, bro, you're done. You're actually done, because you literally cry on the street. It's brass, which means you cannot have a shower with it. If you do one-offs, that's fine, but I would advise not to, because it's not real gold, so it's gonna tarnish. And when you want to spray your perfumes, I would advise to spray your perfumes first, let them dry down, and then put on your earrings and also your hairspray. But don't do it when your earrings are on, please. It would tarnish, and you pay $260 for that. You don't want it to go. Do you understand? So please be wary. That's what I don't like about the earrings. Apart from that, I really love everything about it. I'll probably come back a year later to give you like a 1-year review, but for right now, that's all I can say about the earrings. Now let's go to the bracelet. Why do I like this bracelet? I like it because I feel like it's easy to put on. I don't need someone to help me actually put it on like my other ones, because the other ones, sometimes I was struggling to put it on because I needed to, like, you know, get it in, but this one is just open, good to go. Why do I like it? I like the design of it. Yeah, it's very simple. It's not too loud. It's very, like I said, classy, and it goes with my earrings. However, what don't I like about this bracelet? I do not like the fact that it does the open and close thing. As much as I like it, I don't like it. If you're not paying attention, you can actually get robbed in like 2.5 seconds. All you need to do is just pull it. That's it. So this is just, can you see this? Yeah, nah. So that's what I don't like about it, because someone can literally just and jackpot, and then you start chasing the man down for your bracelet. So yeah, that one is something that I don't like about the bracelet. I feel like when I was getting it, that was something that I was really thinking about, like, whew, do you want to risk it? Secondly, the fact that I'm actually scared. It hasn't happened yet, so I don't want to say it's a con, but I'm really scared because of what happened with my other bracelet. So I hope this one doesn't tarnish as quick. So far, so good. I haven't seen any discoloration, but if I see one, is a straight con for me, and this will be the end of my journey with Fendi in terms of the jewelries. This will be the end of the road for me. But so far, I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving it. Now the third con is this spring. I feel like if this spring is not springing, you're in trouble. If the spring decides to not spring, you're really in trouble, because it's easy to go in and out. But if for whatever reason that spring starts to act up, yeah, your bracelet is done. But yeah, that's all I got to say about this so far. I mean, $260, $330 is a combo made in heaven. I mean, like I said, so if you liked, you know, the items, head over to Fendi. I will also say, please go try it on. In my last video of my bracelets reviews, people always ask me like, my wrist size, baby girl. Baby girl, I don't have a measuring tape, but I'll always say, as much as you see stuff online and admire them, also go into the store and play with them and see, like, do they fit your wrist? Do they look chic on you? Do they look amazing on you? Because me, I like to see, or I like to see, so I don't just buy all of my items online. I actually go into the store. So with this item, I walked in. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I walked into the store to collect the item. So I would say, like, don't just buy online, actually walk in. That's all for today's review. I hope you liked the review. If you do, please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl, okay? And yeah, now join the family, join the gang. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask below. If I can answer, I'll give you the best answer that I can. And if not, then I'll refer you back to a sales assistant. You get me? But yeah, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, and God bless you.